The data recovery case today involves a Seagate Enterprise-class Helium drive. Capacity, 16 terabytes. Family, BC. Product series, X16. Recording method, CMR. Helium filled. The BC family is Seagate's last Helium drive series supporting bootcode ROM read/write. The fault is a typical translator corruption. Unlike previous Seagate consumer drives, this type of Helium drive can still identify the ID and capacity normally after translator corruption. However, sectors cannot be read, sending commands returns error abort. Moreover, after power on initialization, NVC Scram reports corruption. This is the common translator offline issue with Helium drives. Before repair, one must first perform firmware unlock on the hard drive. Since this drive supports bootcode mode for ROM read/write, we directly read the ROM via serial port using 3M baud rate. Note here that only a PL2303 Smart USB terminal can use the 3M baud rate for ROM read/write. After a successful read, the original ROM is automatically saved in the current task folder. To unlock the current ROM, click the ROM patch menu in the upper right and select Firmware Unlock. When the task information prompts Unlock Success, one can write the software-modified ROM to the chip. After writing is complete, powering on the drive finds it does not spin up, and the terminal constantly reports ROM signature verification failure. At this point, there's no need for panic. The error is not due to improper operation or a software bug. Most Helium series drives are in this state after unlocking. One needs to select Handshake Method 2 in the software to inject boot code into the drive. After a brief wait, the drive will spin up and begin initialization. When feedback codes start appearing on the serial port, one can enter T-level to send commands. Now the drive is in the ready state, we click Reload Firmware. Module and RAM file loading are both quick, but it gets stuck on the service area part. Generally, waiting several tens of seconds is sufficient. If stuck for a long time, one needs to manually stop the current command. After powering off, resend the unlock command, then acquire the system files via serial port mode. Due to design limitations, the drive cannot read system files in ATA mode. One needs to switch to serial port mode. One can manually read the backup system files one by one, or use the Resource Backup button to select the needed system files, then backup with one click. After the firmware backup is complete, one can send the rebuild command to restore the translator. After the translator rebuild process completes normally, the drive should be able to read user sectors again.